mentioned many opportunities for students to be able to get out in the field and get that real world experience after they've kind of been in the classroom setting. Can you tell me more about that?
Yeah, well, we do a couple of different things. First of all, just part of the standard curriculum that I include for the classes I teach is, our projects that they actually have to conceptualize, film, edit, and deliver, right? Sometimes, for production one, it's something as simple as a scene study. As they, kind of move up, the progression to some of the upper level classes, they start writing their own full shorts and producing those just like we're doing in production three. But another aspect that I try to incorporate is, I'm a professor here, but I also have a production company as well. And we do a lot of private sector work in that production company. We do everything from television and film and music videos to commercial productions for some pretty substantial clients, and then also industrial work as well. We're right here on the Gulf Coast, and there's plenty of industrial training work. And so anytime that my company typically has work, I do my best to employ my students because number one, it takes them out of just the university setting, puts them on a job site where they're actually working, they're being paid. And when you're actually being paid, there's real accountability for the quality of of your work ethic. And so I think that's very important as well. And it's another way for them to network and get their names out. So, I try to include them in as much production as I can, and not just my company, other companies here and, statewide. I do my best to get my students, crew work on, and I think that's important for the growth.